Do you know that there are specific elements of public speaking too?
We discussed the origin of public speaking and its history in our last video. Today, SBS going to share the specific elements of public speaking. From the videos we've done so far, you may understand that there are several components which are required to do public speaking.
The speaker. Mainly, there should be a speaker. The speaker refers simply to the person who is presenting. The message. The message is the content being presented by the speaker. The audience. The audience is the intended recipient of the message. The speaker, the message, the audience, these three elements are sometimes referred to as who, what, and whom. The channel. The channel is the medium used to share the message. It is how the message gets sent. The effect. The effect is the result of the message having been sent and received. The effect is not necessarily consistent with the speaker's goal.
Public speaking is a more formal type of communication, as opposed to small talk or other informal conversations. Public speaking requires preparation and organization.
Keep this in your mind. There is a great speaker within yourself. Come out of your comfort zone and unleash the inner speaker within you.